Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Terrain. This is Lakshmi Narayana, your mathematics teacher. In this video, I come up with a very interesting question which came in 2019 March public examination mathematics paper 1 of Telangana State Board. So let's have a look at the statement. This may come in this coming board examination also. So please do follow carefully, learn. Clear? Here is the statement and it came as 17A in March 2019. Sum of the areas of two squares is 850 meters square if the difference of their perimeters is 40 meters. Then find the sides of the two squares. It is given the sum of areas of two squares is 850 meters square and difference of their perimeters is 40 meters. By making use of this information, so we have to find sides of two squares. We have to find sides of those two squares. So let us visualize this information. Squares, let us say square 1 and another square. So let us assume, so whose side is x, and let us assume side of the square is y, and we know that area is this closed figure covered area, right? Area covered by this closed figure. So this is the area. So what I'll do is, let us fill with some color. We'll fill with this only, and this is area. Area of this square, we know area formula, that is side into side, that is side square. Therefore area of the square is x into x. This becomes x square, and area of this square is y into y. This becomes y square. And perimeter, what is perimeter? Surrounding distance, that is, so this length is x, so x plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x. So here perimeter P is equals to 4x and perimeter of this square is equals to 4y, right? So these are units and these are square units, since area is in square units and perimeter is in units, because here only one variable, here two variables are there, two variables are multiplying, right? So according to the information, sum of areas of two squares is 850 meters square. So x square plus y square is equals to 850, and difference of their perimeters is 40 meters, and difference of these perimeters, that is 4x minus 4y is equals to 40. And further, so we'll take 4 common here, then x minus y is equals to 40. Divide both the sides with 4, then 4 ones are 4, tens are, here we got x minus y is equals to 10. So let us rewrite this statement. That implies x is equals to, here y is negative, if it comes this side it becomes positive, then y plus 10. So let us take this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what we'll do is, here we got from equation 2 x value. Now we'll substitute this x value in equation 1 to get y value. From that we'll substitute that value in either equation 1 or equation 2, we'll get x value as well, right? Let's do that. Now put equation 2 in equation 1. That implies x square, here x is y plus 10, so y plus 10 whole square plus y square is equals to 850. So further It looks like a plus b whole square by using algebraic identity a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this becomes y square plus 10 square, that is 100, plus 2ab, 2 into 10 into y, that is 20y plus y square is equals to 850. Further, here y square plus y square, when you sum up, 2y square plus 20y plus 100 is equals to 850. Further, we'll bring this 100 into this side, then 2y square plus 20y is equals to 850. Here 100 is positive, if it comes this side it becomes negative. 850 minus 100, this becomes 750. Now here you can see, here it is multiple of 2, it is multiple of 20, it is also an even number. So these all will divided by 2. So what we'll do is we'll divide throughout with 2. Then 2 ones are, 2 tens are, 2 threes are, we left with 1, 2 sevens are, and 2 fives are. Then further we got y square plus 10y is equals to 375. If you bring this 375 into this side, here it is positive, it becomes negative, here is equals to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation. So we'll solve this equation to get y value. Once we get y value, we'll substitute in equation 2, we'll get x value, right? So we'll solve by using splitting middle term. Here 10y will be will split as product of since y square coefficient is 1 and here constant is negative 375. Now we'll split into two factors. So 1 into negative 375 is negative 375. Now we'll split into two factors in such a way whose product is negative 375 and whose sum is positive 10. Clear? So what I'll do is I'll take 25 plus negative 15. Positive into negative, negative. 25 into 15, 375, that is negative 375. When you sum up these two, we'll get positive 10. So both the conditions are satisfying. Product is this and sum is this. Now we'll substitute this. Y square plus 10y becomes 25y minus 15y minus 375 is equals to 0. So further, from these two terms, from these two terms we can take y common. So y common, y plus 25, because one y came out and here also y came out and we left with y and we left with 25. Here we can take common negative 15. Here we left with the positive y, here we left with plus 15 into 25, this becomes 375 is equals to 0. Further, from these two terms again we have y plus 25 common. So we'll take y plus 25 common, then y plus 25, here we left with y minus here 15 is equals to 0. When product of two numbers is 0, so that any one of the number must be 0, which means when a into b is equals to 0, either a is 0 or b is 0, then only we'll get product 0. So from here I'll write here. So y plus 25 is equals to 0 or y minus 15 is equals to 0. Further, plus 25 comes this side, becomes negative 25, y is equals to negative 25 or y is equals to positive 15. And we got two y values. What is y here? Y is side of a square, that is length. We know that length cannot be negative. length, distance, height, these all things cannot be negative, right? So this is invalid anyhow. Therefore the value of y is equals to 15 we can say meters. So we got y value. Now we'll find x value. So what we'll do is we'll substitute this y value in equation 2. Put y is equals to 15 in equation 2. That implies x is equals to y plus 10, that is 15 plus 10. Since y is 15, this becomes 25. We got x value as well. Let us say this is 25 meters. Therefore the required sides of the squares are of the squares are x is equals to 25 meters comma y is equals to 15 meters. Clear? So please do careful, this is the sequence, and from here again we have started. This is the end. Okay, so therefore the required sides of two squares are x is equals to 25 meters and y is equals to 15 meters. This is it.